Day 4, Learning English Through Fun, Quizzes and Engagement. Welcome to Day 4 of your 30-day English Learning Challenge. Today is all about interaction, learning, and having fun with English. We'll explore vocabulary, practice making sentences, and sharpen our listening skills, all while testing your knowledge with quizzes. By the end of today, you'll have learned new words, practiced sentence formation, and boosted your confidence in understanding and using English. So grab a notebook, get ready to comment your answers, and let's dive into the exciting activities. Step 1. Warm up with fun facts and easy quiz. Let's start with some fun facts to get your brain warmed up. Did you know that English has over 170,000 words in current use? But don't worry, you don't need to learn them all. Here's a warm-up quiz to make learning even more interesting. What is the shortest sentence in English? A. I am. B. Go. C. Hi. Answer B. Go. What is the plural of mouse? A. Mouses. B. Mice. C. Mouse. Answer B. Mice. Which of these is a verb? A. Eat. B. Beautiful. C. Happy. Answer A. Eat. Step 2. Quiz time. Guess and learn. Quizzes are a great way to actively recall what you've learned. Let's test your knowledge with these engaging questions. Which word means the opposite of fast? A. Slow. B. Quick. C. Speed. Answer A. Slow. What's the correct sentence? A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. She didn't like coffee. Answer B. She doesn't like coffee. Which word completes this sentence? I went to the park yesterday. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going. Answer B. Went. Step 3. Sentence building practice. Now it's time to practice forming sentences. Below are some words. Use them to create your own sentences and write them in the comments. Words. Small. Example. The cat is small. Walk. Example. I walk to school every day. Play. Example. They play football on Sundays. Your turn. Write one sentence for each word and share it with us. Step 4. Listening and guessing game. Listening is a crucial skill when learning English. Let's play a game where I describe something and you guess the word. It's round and you kick it during a game. It starts with B. What is it? Answer. Ball. You use it to write on paper. It starts with P. What is it? It's something you wear when it's cold. It starts with J. What is it? You eat this in the morning. It starts with B. What is it? Comment your answers below and see if you got them right. Step 5. Learn 5 new words. Here are 5 new words for today. Write their meanings in your journal and use them in sentences. Slow, moving at a low speed. Example, the car is moving slow. Fast, moving quickly. Example, she runs fast. Big, large in size. Example, the elephant is big. Jump, to push yourself off the ground. Example, I can jump high. School, a place where people learn. Example, I go to school every day. Step 6. Reflect and write. At the end of the day, reflect on what you've learned by writing a short diary entry. Here's an example. Today, I played a fun quiz and learned about plurals and verbs. I also practiced making sentences with words like small and walk. My favorite activity was the listening game where I guessed words like jacket and ball. It was a great way to learn. Writing helps you practice English while remembering what you learned. Ending note for Day 4. Congratulations on finishing Day 4. Today, you had fun with quizzes, practiced sentence building, and improved your listening skills. Which activity was your favorite? Share your thoughts and answers in the comments below. Don't forget, tomorrow's video will reveal the answers and bring more exciting activities. Keep going. You're doing amazing. See you on Day 5.